In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you're looking to make quick edits to a text block or need to dive deeper into managing images and pages, Adobe Acrobat Pro has got you covered. Let's start by opening your PDF document in Acrobat Pro. This is your first step, and it sets the foundation for everything else you'll be doing. Once your PDF is open, you'll want to navigate to the Edit PDF function. You can do this easily by either selecting it from the top toolbar or by finding it in the Tools pane on the right side of your screen. This feature is crucial because it unlocks the editing capabilities of Adobe Acrobat Pro, allowing you to modify both text and images within your PDF document. Now, if your goal is to edit the text, simply click on the text block you want to modify. Adobe Acrobat gives you quite a bit of freedom here. You can add new text, delete existing text, or format it to your liking. That includes adjusting the font, changing the size, altering the color, or even modifying the alignment. This flexibility ensures that your document looks exactly the way you want it to. When it comes to editing images or objects, the process is just as intuitive. Select the image or object that you wish to modify. Once selected, you can move it around to the desired location, resize it by dragging the corners, crop it to focus on specific details, or rotate it if needed. Adobe Acrobat also allows you to replace the image entirely if you have a new one in mind. Additionally, you have the option to arrange the image by bringing it to the front or sending it to the back, which is especially useful when layering objects. If your task involves managing pages, Adobe Acrobat Pro provides a powerful set of tools to do just that, but remember, this is optional depending on your needs. While in edit mode or by accessing the Pages panel on the left, you have the ability to insert new pages, delete those you no longer need, or reorder them to better match your desired layout. You'll find these options under the Organize Pages tool, but keep in mind that some of these features might require a specific license to fully utilize. Don't forget, the final step is saving your changes. This is easily done by going to File in the top menu and selecting Save or Save As. By doing this, you ensure that all your hard work and modifications are securely stored. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to editing a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. With these steps, you'll have the skill to tackle any PDF editing tasks that come your way. Happy editing!